Video we are going to see how we can format a cell in Microsoft Excel. So I have opened my workbook, and in this workbook purposefully I have written some text here. Okay, and to format a cell we have to first what we have to do, we have to select that cell, right? So what we have done, we have to any kind of format you want to apply. First what you have to do, you have to select that cell. Say for example I want to format this, I want to apply some actions and commands on that based on the formats, right? So I have to select that test. So first condition is that we have to select that test. Okay, so already I have written so many tests. Okay, but if I want to, say for example I want Monday. Okay, it is coming in the red color as of now, but I will change format color as black. Now first thing, in the home tab we have one group called font. So all these sections whatever in font we will be seeing it. So first thing we can see is bold. What is the bold is like some text line is written in regular color, but you want to have some more highlight or some more thickness, right, on that particular character. So we can use the bold. So shortcut for bold key Control B, and same thing we can do on the by going on the home tab and clicking on the B symbol there. Okay, then next is italic. For italic we have to use Control I as a shortcut. Control I, italic. Unitalic you can again press Control I, it will be unitalic, or else you have to just click the I symbol on the, like from the home tab you have to select the I symbol, and it will be get italic. If you observe that it later become italic. Next option is underline. So underline, when we click on the underline, one line will be get inserted just after the bottom of the text. So whatever the text we write, it will be underlined. So sometime we use underline, right? We need underline command, that time we can use it. So shortcut for the underline is Control U. Sorry, it is written as Control V, but Control U is the short key, and we can use one time Control U, underline will applied, and second time again if you press underline it will be go away. Okay, next option we can see is it's called fill color. So fill color, and these two letters are there. Fill color will change the cell background. So what is the cell background, it will change, and the font color will change the particular text. What is the text is written, it will be get changed. So I am going underline. Now I want to change fill color to be changed. I select that cell. This cell will be in red. Okay, so what I am going to do is I want to change this cell color. As of now it is a white, but I want to change it to the red. So what I will do is I will select that, and from drop down I can select on the red, and whatever the color I want. Okay, then text color I already told, whenever we have to that, as of now by default it will be black text color, but if in the case we wanted to change it to some other color, we can do that one. This text will be in white color, black color, yellow color, right? I put yellow color. Okay, so I am putting a yellow color. If you see, it become yellow, but it is not that much great to be. So I am changing the background color as a green. So you can see that background color become green and text color become yellow. What based on your choice and based on that your need, right? You can change accordingly. And the next option is there our font. So font style, by default it as of now in this current version of Microsoft Excel, by default it's come as a Calibri, but based on our choices we can do. So purposefully I have written here. I have put style 1, style 2, style 3, style 4 and style 5. So I will apply each like one style on each this test and just see that what is the difference we have. So I'm changing to the this color, and as soon as you hang over on the this like test, it will be you can see that how the test is going to be. So I'm changing some other color, just based on our your need and how you want, right? You can do. Okay. Again, there's a lot of styles are there. Okay. And then okay, so you can see that based on the like that what are the my like word I have written is the same, but based on that that appearance, no, that is style getting changed. So we can do as based on our need. The next one is font size. After just this text style, we have font size. So in the case we want to change the size of that text, right? Any particular text or cell, right? We can do that one. And to do that, what we have to do is we have to select that cell. Okay. So as of now, I am putting as a text size for this 10 size for this. I am just clicking 10. If you see, it become little smaller because by default it is 11. Now I change to 10. Now I will change this one to 15. The size got increased. Now further I am putting 20. Further it got again I am selecting 25 like this one and applying 25, and if you observe it become more, right? Then 30. So based on that our need, we can increase the sizes of font. And one more thing is that here if you observe, we have one little bit bigger size of symbol A, which means if you hang over and see, it is called increase font size. Okay. And second was is decrease font size. So some I have this font size, I want to little bit decrease, just click on that, and you can just see that this one is if you don't want to go by number, I just wanted so like increase and decrease at the same time and see that which one is suitable for me, we can apply this font size. Okay. So this is what we have covered all this topic. We have one left, which is the border. Okay. So border is a little bit very simple actually. If I want to, as of now there is no border in this, right? But if I select this cell and click on border, all borders, if I apply, if you observe that border got applied on the each cell. Okay, I am again selecting that, and there is more options are there on the border. So if you see, first option is a border bottom. If I click on that, only let me, okay, if I am clicking first here and putting as border bottom, okay, bottom, if you see that only whatever the cell I have selected at the last cell on the bottom, it got selected. Okay, then I'll undo this one because I don't want to any, if our border already applied, no, that time it will be great problem. So there is no border. Now I am putting a top border. Similar way, whatever I have, like we have seen it with the top, like bottom, now we can see for the top. So I am clicking on the, if you see, observe that become at the top. Then we have similar way, left and right, it will be there, no border at all. If I have already applied some border, but I am not liking or not needed. So in that case, if I click no border, if you see, there is no border apply on the whatever the cell I have selected. All border, right? Then if no border, then opposite to that, all border. If I click that all border, all borders will be get selected. Now again bottom double bordered. Okay, if I click on that, if you observe, there is a 2 lines are got added. So double line border is there. Then thick border like little bit thicker line, yeah, thicker line, top and bottom border. So top will be there and bottom will be there. Okay, draw border based on the like wherever whichever cell you click on, that it will be get selected. If you click on this, no, you just observe it getting based on our need. If sometime we have to, like, whichever the line I want, I just have to click on that and it will be get border will be applied on that. Then next we have draw border grid. So this one is one line will be first line draw border, one line will become, but grid will be for multiple. If I keep on selecting, no, you just see that border got applied here. Whatever the cell I select and draw, it will get applied. Here I am seeing. Okay. Then we have erase border. So if I click that, wherever I go, the border will get erased. Okay, so hope you understand this one also. Then line color. So yeah, border we can apply based on our need, but if you want to change the, like, see the some different color, by default it will be black, but if I want to say red or something, right, in that we can apply the red. Okay, based on our need we can do that one. Then line style. So as of now we can see solid line here, but if I click on that any cell, I select this cell, and now I am going on border. So solid line, as of now we have very minor, it will be like not visible, dotted little bit more, this one is like very small dot, and this one is having little bit bold, then one dot, then one line, right, it's broken line you can see. Then double line is there, that very thick line, then dotted line but thicker, right, the broken one. Then again we have in this color, okay, and very bold. Okay, these are the predefined, but in more border, right, when we click that, we will be having all the options whatever we apply. So here we will be having option to choose the border style. So I am selecting border style as this one. Okay, then we will be option to the select where all the cell. So I am selecting all the cell. Okay, I'm done just designing my in all more borders, right, we can design. Okay, I want to change color, so whatever the option we were seeing before, it is there. Okay, this as soon as I hit OK, if you observe the border the style got applied. So based on our need we can apply. So we have covered this group, front group. We have covered all this whatever the commands is available here. Now we will go to next, it will be very small one. So let's alignment. So alignment means just how you wanted to test to be appear, how is this test will be like this is a simple test, right. Here as of now it is on the left centered, but if you want like in middle, it should be in middle, right. So all these options are there related to our test alignment. So first one, if you observe top aligned, so top line means the whatever the test, if I increase that little bit, that height of this, if you see the test is applied on the top. If I click on this, the test become in the middle. If again I click in this one bottom align, if you see the test become at the bottom. So this one is called top alignment, middle alignment and bottom alignment. Okay, by default test will be the top alignment. Now this is about it have like it was top, bottom and middle, right. Now this one, these three where it will be left, right and right, middle and left. Okay, left, middle and right. So hope you understand this one. So what I will do is I will apply. So as of now, if you see, this test is the middle, this one is bottom line, middle line, right? So this one we can say. Another one, in this we have covered this one. Now we have increase index and decrease index. Okay, decrease index and increase. What is the index means? Say for example, I am just making as a middle aligned with the left center. So if you observe, if I am keep on pressing increase index, what is happening? The test is getting moved, like there is more spaces in the front line before the new line getting in the before new line, right? That there is a spaces is getting added. So more space you can kill. Whenever the next line is going to get, it will be little bit index will be increase. Now if I want a decrease index, I can click on that and it will be based on our need, we can put it. Okay, that in this alignment here we have one test orientation. Okay, what is test orientation? Where that as of now it will be flat, right? 180 degree, but if you want, we can change it. Like we have to select that cell. Okay, now if I want format alignment, okay, just let me, I think something is selected. What happened? Okay, so I have selected the test. Okay, and I'm clicking on, okay, it came. So if you see in the cell, this in the, like we wanted to have clockwise, right? We can change it, the direction of cell actually. So vertical test. So you want to see here sometime, right? You would have seen somewhere written like this. So test will be written in the each line one cell. Then we will have rotation. Okay, so test got rotated that down. So this way. Now we have format cell alignment, the format cell window, right? In this we will be having, like, we can, this red color is there, just if you see, it will be get changed. So test got changed based on the what is the degree we provided, right? So it is not, if it's 0 degree, if I put 0 degree, that it will be like normal, how it will be very straightforward line. But if I put 175, okay, you just observe. Okay, yes, it should take 90, so I will put 85. Okay, if you see 85 degrees Celsius, yeah, 90, 0 to 90 or minus this one. Okay, hope you have understand this one alignment. Now we will go to the wrap test. Okay, so let me delete this. So what is the wrap test is, sometime we write some test which will be get as per border I have this much, but my test is like little bit more bigger, like this test will be more words and it will not fit into column width. Okay, I just type one sentence. Okay, now what happened, it look little bit odd, right? So the test is getting to the next column. So either one option is there, either I can increase the column width or we can wipe that. So if this is the one example, right, might be our test become like this. So this way, so we cannot do this one, right? It will look very this thing. So in that, to come out from that, what we have to do, we have to click on the wrap test. So once we click on this option, you can see that what are the column width you have provided. Okay, based on that, it has adjusted it has increased the size of row here, row line. Before that, if you see, it was lesser, right? Now it become it got increased, and based on the whatever the test is provided, it has increased its size and it got fixed, right? Now I'll put Control Z. I will undo that, and what I will do, I will put more, little bit more bigger test. Okay, so if you see, this become, its whole line is there, but I want like the test should be here. Click on that and it will be whole thing, like it got increased a little bit more width, right? Based on that it will be adjusted. So this is the use of web test. Hope you have understand. Now in next video we are going to see number. So this is actually one of the like very important topic. We cannot cover in this video. This video will become very larger. So next in next video we will be discussing all this for self formatting the numbers. Thank you so much for watching.